Hey, it's AKAJK and today we have another vlog. So lately I've been just like during the exact time that I'm filming this, you probably won't see this video until a couple of weeks later because I have a ton of those pre-recorded vlogs which I recorded a couple of weeks ago in London, and in London I wasn't really able to upload because I didn't have any Wi-Fi in the apartment. So what was happening is I just pre-recorded some stuff and then uploaded it during there, and then the London vlogs I'll edit while I'm here and then post them. So if you get what I mean now. So I've been not making as many YouTube videos as in just filming content because I'm like, oh, I already have all this content already stored there. If I keep making more, then it's going to be those videos that come out like 2 weeks later, and I don't like doing that. However, I'm trying to make exceptions and still make videos because it's boring not making videos. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to say. So anyway, today I didn't really do much. Woke up, had breakfast, watched some TV, and now I have a lot of homework to do. I need to work on this English essay. I have this presentation that I need to work on. You have some, like, honestly, so this coming week, right, today's a Saturday, and where we are, Sunday, first day of the week. So I have an English essay to write this week, and I have this maths challenge thing at the end of the week, which is on Thursday. I have the World Scholars Cup, which I talked about in a previous episode. I can probably leave that in the card. So the World Scholars Cup is this sort of competition against other different schools. I have that during Friday and Saturday for next week. You can see that my schedule is pretty much sort of full. On Thursday, after I do the UK Maths Challenge, I go home for like an hour or so. Then I'm having an early birthday party, which is going to be me with around 20 other people watching Infinity War. I mean, that's going to be great, but that's still extra things I need to do, and I need to plan for it, and I need to today we're going to sort of go out and buy the tickets, so I got everyone to confirm, and then we're going to go today. We went yesterday to try and get them, however, we're trying to get this 50% off offer. The card that my dad had was sort of invalid, so we went home, and then it turned out my mum had the card, so we're going to go today and use my mum's card and then see what can happen, so we get the 50% off offer, because 20 people going there cost like, I don't know, $250, $260, $300, and that's quite a lot of money. So yeah, we want to cut down on that. But anyway, you guys might not be interested in that, I don't know, but I'm going to go there later on. Now I need to do all of this homework, and I'll try and keep up these daily videos, because I'll try and keep up these daily videos, guys. So yeah, let's smack it. Guys, I made this thing for our design sort of homework, and I have to make a collage, so I made a collage on America. So can you tell me if this is an accurate representation of America? If any of you are Americans, or am I just being extremely stereotypical? Okay? That's just that. So, I completed a coffee. Then I played CSGO, and things happened. Now I've got to go back to do some more homework. Then I'll do maybe some media consumption, just watching YouTube videos. So, oh, that was a nice spin. I want to do another one, because you know how dope these spins are? When you do them properly. Let's do one more. Okay? I'm dizzy though. Oh, that was sick. Wait, one final one, because they're pretty good. Was it good? Tell me if you want to see more of those spins. But yeah, let's go do some homework. No. Let's go do some homework. Guys, I just finished making the thumbnail for today's video. So it's just an ordinary day. It's one of the England vlogs. So if you haven't seen that video already, it's a shame, so you should go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the card above. So I just had lunch around an hour ago, and then we decided to call the cinema so we can check whether the card that my mom had was valid. So we said that it was, so they told us that they require a MasterCard which was platinum, and we were like, it only was from NBO, so we're like, okay. We went home, we found MasterCard, Platinum, NBO. It was a debit card though, so we called them and they were like, no, it doesn't work. So now we can't use this card to get 50% off offer for the actual sort of tickets for the movie, because I've got 20 tickets and it costs so much. So, you know, it's kind of annoying. I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're probably just going to have to actually just buy the tickets at normal price, which is going to be pretty expensive, but we'll see what we have to do. Right guys, so you're obviously all expecting an update from me on what happened relating to the guys, so you're all expecting an update from me on what happened relating to these cinema tickets. So I'll give you one. Basically what happened was we couldn't do anything because my grandma was sick, like really sick, and my parents had to go to the hospital and stay with her, and that has been happening for the past few days, so yeah, hope she gets well soon. And anyway, we couldn't do anything about that today because they were just too busy. So tomorrow we'll go and check it out. So I'm sorry I couldn't end the story that was sort of defining this video, but it will be to be continued. So I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I'm sorry I couldn't end it. There was just some issues that happened. But yeah, I'll try and continue this tomorrow and we'll see where it takes us. Also, I want to start this thing where I have a daily meme or some sort of funny thing in every single video. Not every single video, every single vlog, because the tech videos are just supposed to be sort of reviews and stuff. I don't incorporate this kind of stuff into the tech videos, but sort of incorporating it into my sort of vlogging, and every time I vlog I put one of these memes in it, I think will be good. So for today's meme, if I'm reading it correctly, is I photoshopped Saruman into Trump's old picture, and it's not even weird. This is honestly a seriously funny one, because I'm also a Lord of the Rings fan. But anyway guys, I do hope you did enjoy this vlog, and I will catch you guys in the next one. It's been amazing, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Smash the like button and subscribe and turn notifications, and why not check out my other vlogs, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, because the grind is daily. Guys, so this is the amount of sort of cinema tickets, and so if you just look at the amount of glasses, 3D glasses that we bought, it sort of signifies or dignifies or something. It's just signals to the amount of tickets that we got.